All right, so hey guys, quick video. I want to talk about the Vever 3-point trailer hitch. And what I got going on today is my last day of 2025 PTO, and it's actually 70 degrees here in Texas, so it's the weather's beautiful. But as you can see, I've got the Harbor Freight. I think they call it a trencher. It's kind of a backhoe of sorts. Back when I bought it, it was probably the only affordable option for someone like me who needed the ability to dig holes or trenches or plant trees or whatever you needed to do. Nowadays, I'm not sure I would buy this product because there are Chinese mini backhoes out there now that take up less space. This doesn't fit in my garage, obviously. Well, I'd like to figure out a way, but it doesn't right now. So it doesn't fit in my garage, and those little Chinese backhoes would. So I think I would consider that. But if you have a tractor already, with a 3-point hitch with the lift and all that in the back with a PTO, like I do, which I have a Branson subcompact, and I'll show that to you in a second. If you have something like that and you want to have a bucket for moving material, this might be a valid way to go. I think they're up to, I think I paid $2,900 with coupon and at the time, but this is going back quite a few years. I think they're $3,500 now. But anyway, let's take a look at the Vever hitch. Hey guys, so back in the day, I had actually welded together a hitch receiver to a bar and mounted that to the front bucket of my Branson tractor. It worked okay. It wasn't great. It had a tendency to move and slip because it was just sort of a clamp-on device, which is, I certainly didn't want to drill holes, in the front bucket because that sort of would defeat the purpose of using it to move material. But anyway, here's how the 3-point hitch looks. I just got it installed. Went on very simply. They do give you spacers that I didn't really need for these 2 points here, and I did use the one up here as well. Trying to see if you can see. Sorry, it's sunny and the glare off my phone is tough to see. So anyway, this is on here, and looks pretty stout. So we're gonna give this a test in a few minutes. It is the last day of my vacation, so it's time to do the dirty work and fix one of the septic sprinkler pipes. So gotta make that repair, and I've procrastinated it all vacation the last 2 weeks, hoping that in the event that I died, I wouldn't have to do that work. But here I am, so I guess I gotta get it done. Anyway, this product was about $100. I'll post the information about it. Goes together in 2 minutes, literally, putting it together. My only complaint was the weld on the receiver tube right here. This weld is pretty big, and you see this space in here. I actually had to use a sledgehammer and drive this in there, or I guess I could have ground it out, but I wasn't in the mood to get power tools and extensions and everything. So it's slammed in there pretty good. So I don't know if I can get it out later, but for now it'll get the job done. So let's see if I can move my backhoe trencher and get the septic fixed before sundown. Have a good one. I was going to say see you on the next one, but I'm not quite done. I assume I'm going to show you what this looks like pulling around the trencher and see how everything goes. So probably one more take on this. All right, so hey guys, here's what the trencher looks like attached to the Branson. It pulls real easy, not a problem. Of course, it's a pretty long vehicle when you're pulling it, so you just have to be careful of the swing out of the arm in the back. It's got a pretty decent long reach, and so when you're pulling it, you probably should have it folded in, but of course, I'm lazy. Pull it just like it was. As you can see, I ended up actually pulling up more than I had planned. That bucket on the trencher is a little larger than I would like, and you find out that the what you're looking for isn't exactly in the spot you wanted it to be. So anyway, we got it fixed though. In the end, everything worked out. So I will definitely see you on the next one.